A systematic withdrawal plan, SWP, is an investment approach that allows you to regularly withdraw a set amount from a mutual fund investment. It is ideal for individuals who want a steady income stream, like retirees or those needing periodic cash flow without selling their entire investment. To start, you choose a mutual fund that matches your financial goals, often selecting a stable option like a balanced or debt fund, though equity funds can be used for potentially higher returns if the investor is comfortable with market risk. After making an initial lump sum investment, you decide on the withdrawal amount and frequency, such as monthly or quarterly. The fund manager then redeems units to provide the specified cash flow, depositing it into your bank account. SWPs offer benefits like tax efficiency and the potential for disciplined, long-term growth, as only the withdrawn portion is liquidated, while the remaining balance continues to grow in the market. Additionally, they can help manage tax liability by withdrawing only part of the investment rather than accumulating taxable interest. Consulting with a financial advisor is beneficial when setting up an SWP to choose suitable funds and determine an appropriate withdrawal schedule.